infinitive, and gerunds. What do you want to do?
I want to take a rest. I didn't sleep last night.
I enjoy riding a bike.
I am good at riding a bike.
How will you solve the math questions?
I will use a calculator to solve the problems. My hobby is growing flowers.
Growing flowers is a good hobby.
Grammar tips.
Tips for infinitives and gerunds. When a verb follows another verb, it takes the infinitive form or gerund. Here are some verbs normally followed by the infinitive form: afford, agree, ask, come, decide, expect, fail, get, learn, need, promise, refuse, want. These are the verbs normally followed by the gerund form: avoid, deny, discuss, dislike, enjoy, finish, keep, mind, quit, suggest.
Grammar tips.
Tips for infinitives. Infinitives are used to make forms of verbs like nouns, adjectives, or adverbs. The verb after to is always a base verb. Here is the rule: to plus base verb.
Examples.
Let's look at some examples. My hobby is to collect coins. To collect is the infinitive. Here it's a noun. He wants to buy a new car. I met him to talk about our plan. To talk is the infinitive. Here, it's an adverb. She decided to follow the plan. I want something to drink. Here, to drink is the infinitive. It's an adjective.
Right and wrong.
Now for the right and wrong section. The first one says, I came here by a cell phone. This is infinitive. The word to goes before by. The correct sentence is, I came here to buy a cell phone. The next one says, she failed passing the test. To goes with the base verb pass. The correct sentence is, she failed to pass the test.
Grammar tips.
Tips for gerunds. Gerunds are used to make forms of verbs like nouns. It's a noun formed from a verb when you add ing. Gerunds can also follow prepositions.
Examples.
Here are some examples. We avoid taking the exam. Taking is the gerund. Telling a lie isn't good. Telling is the gerund. She dislikes cooking meat. He suggested making a vacation plan. I am good at playing tennis.
Right and wrong.
Now for the right and wrong section. I enjoy to listen to music. The verb enjoy accepts gerunds, not infinitives. So we don't use to listen. We need to add ing to listen. The correct sentence is, I enjoy listening to music. The next one says, she finished to do her homework. Once again, finished does not go with infinitives. We need a gerund. Do should have ing. The correct sentence is, she finished doing her homework. The next one says, I am interested in play the card game. Here we have the preposition in, so we will make a gerund. Play with ing. The correct sentence is, I am interested in playing the card game.
Quiz.
Circle the right word. I asked my mom to buy a t-shirt. Here we have the infinitive. So we choose to buy. I asked my mom to buy a t-shirt. I don't mind you sitting to sit here. Here we need to make the noun using gerund. We pick sitting. I don't mind you sitting here. He wanted to enter the school. We have the verb wanted, and it's normally followed by infinitive. So we choose to enter. He wanted to enter the school.
Quiz.
Circle the correct sentence. A. I want the toy. B. I want to the toy. Here there's no verb. We don't use the word to. The correct answer is A. I want the toy. A. I borrowed the tool, help them. B. I borrowed the tool to help them. Here we should have the word to before the verb help. The correct answer is B. I borrowed the tool to help them. A. He suggested to watch the movie together. B. He suggested watching the movie together. The verb suggested is normally followed by a gerund with ing. So we choose B. He suggested watching the movie together. A. People made a hole catch rabbits. B. People made a hole to catch rabbits. Here we need the word to before the verb catch. So the answer is B. Find the mistake and correct it. Do you want to go there? The word to needs to go before the verb go. So the correct sentence is, do you want to go there? Would you mind open the window? Here, open should be a gerund, so we need ing. The correct sentence is, would you mind opening the window? Why do you need buy it? This is an infinitive, so we need to before the word buy. The correct sentence is, why do you need to buy it? Play a computer game is exciting. Here, play a computer game should be a noun. So we need a gerund. Play should have ing. Playing a computer game is exciting. Nobody wanted stay there. This one is infinitive. So we need the word to before stay. The correct sentence is, nobody wanted to stay there. We enjoy to play in the treehouse. Here, to play should be changed to playing because of the word enjoy. It suggests a gerund. The correct sentence is, we enjoy playing in the treehouse. Make a sentence using the words below. The first one says, wants to, Tom, a park, with Emily, go to. The sentence should be, Tom wants to go to a park with Emily. Look at the second one. Emily, he, to, go to the park asks. He asks Emily to go to the park. The third one says, pictures, likes, drawing, Emily. The sentence should be, Emily likes drawing pictures. Pictures, they decide to, in the park, draw. The sentence should be, they decide to draw pictures in the park. At, they meet the park, promise to. They promise to meet at the park. And the last one. They spending time in the park, enjoy, will. They will enjoy spending time in the park.